Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashly here. I have another Diamond Art Club 7th anniversary sneak peek for you. This one is The Three Sisters by Lyra, the Lavender Witch. Look how pretty it is! So this was actually my first time, well, since their release, seeing this artist's work. I don't know if they just, slipped through the cracks with me, or maybe that's not the right expression. I just never noticed, I don't know. But they have a few releases coming out for the 7th anniversary with Diamond Art Club, and I love their art. They're like, I don't know, whispering witches. I don't know, it kind of looks mystical, and it's just always these really pretty purpley hues. I don't know if it's watercolor or what. I'm gonna have to do some research on the artist, but I really am digging their art. So yeah, The Three Sisters by Lyra the Lavender Witch. It is 55.6 centimeters by 78.7 centimeters. It is another round drill. They did a lot of round drill releases for this, I feel like. I don't know. So we have our regular boxes, how it works, kit contents, of course. And we have another thumbnail here on the side. And it says it comes with 89 colors, 2 ABs, and 3 fairy dust. Total diamonds, 57,772. Woo! And we have our thumbnail on the butt here in case you want to stack them that way when you store them. So we are going to go ahead and just get right on into it here. I'm gonna pull this box out. I think something might have gotten shooken up. It's in there real tight. Let's see. Okay. Everything's fine, you guys. It just may have went through a little tumble during shipping, but everything's there. It's totally fine. All right, so we have our toolkit. Now, I've done a bazillion unboxings for Diamond Art Club. The toolkits are the same. Since we're doing quite a few sneak peeks and unboxings for this anniversary release, I'm going to skip it this time. So sorry if that breaks your heart and stuff. All right, I'm taking out the canvas and our little thank you pocket majigger thing that contains our stickers and such. We will get into the canvas, we will look at all the drills individually, and I'll show you where all the special drills go. So, stay tuned. Alright, we have our treasure quest card. It has the three sisters, the artist's name, the size. Totally beautiful. If you don't know about these yet, I'll have a link in the description below where you can find more information about the treasure quest cards. But basically you can scratch this off, you stack them up, redeem them, save them up for an awesome reward like a custom diamond painting or gift cards and such. Beautiful! I love it. Alright, next we have the tips and tricks, the instructions and such. If you are brand new to Diamond Art Club, you're purchasing for your first time for this release, check out the description for my affiliate link. If you're brand new, you get a discount and I get a small kickback. So definitely check that out. Here are our individual stickers here that you can use to kit up. We have another thumbnail picture here, which is also a sticker. So you can use these on your drill containers or your logbook. It has a start and end date. And then here are the individual stickers for the colors and the symbols. And we now have our special drills here at the end. So you can see the ABs and the fairy dusts. And again, these are individual stickers as well. So you put them right on your container. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Beautiful. So it's 89 colors. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's a lot of colors. I bet it's going to be like a really pretty spread of colors too. All right, I'm going to go ahead and zoom back out here. And we're going to open up the canvas. So what are your must-haves? I know I asked this in my other unboxing video, but more have been released. Where's the end of this? Am I crazy? I'm crazy. Of the other ones that have been released, which ones are your must-haves? And have you seen Lyra, the Lavender Witch? Does anyone have any of those? I'm really digging it. I am. Okay, we're going to get this opened up. Oh, wow. That's really pretty. Okay, so I can already tell you the rendering of this is amazing. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna set the drills off over here. We will be going through them. Okay, let's try to flatten this out just a little bit. Now, if you ever get a canvas from Diamond Art Club, and you want to flatten it out quick, just flip it over and you just give it a little roll the opposite way. Since they have their wonderful velvet patented DAC canvas, it's very easy to manipulate the shape of the canvas. So you just give it an opposite roll here, show it who's boss and such. There we go. Now it lays totally fine. This is really pretty. So look at the dresses here. It's like, this is what I mean. The witches almost look like little ghosts. And oh my gosh, it's just really, really pretty. And we have the sky is, oh my goodness, super stunning. Look at all those crazy colors. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and go through the drills here because I'm dying to know where the special drills will be placed on this. So let's go ahead and hop into the drills. Look, I can't find the opening to anything today. Okay, here we go. Sorry for the sound. Now, if you don't enjoy this part of the unboxings or sneak peeks, feel free to fast forward. But a lot of people do like seeing each individual color. So, up to you. All right. We're going to go strand by strand here. All right off the bat, we have 936, 3371, 823, 758, 945, 2 bags of 939. Then we have 310, 3856, 3782, 935, 3727, 336, 3042, 924, 154, 934, 317, and this is our first fairy dust, Z3827. Beautiful. 402. Let's flip that over here. Okay, we have 842, 352, 3803, 522, 3733, 3824, 318, 158, 415, 722, 6034, 316, 3052, 3354, 830, 3687, 915, 414, another fairy dust, Z3778, A3685. All right. And we got 2 more. Okay. So where are we at? Here we go. We have 3731, 832, 938, 3712, 3860, 3853, 3328, 741, 160, 169. Another fairy dust. This is an interesting color. Z3012. It's like a foresty green. All right, then we have 3836, 725, 6014, 550, 831, 645, 161, 834, 833. All right, last strand here. We have 728, 3072, 3855, 937, 3830, 3831, 3774, 309, 779, 931, and here's our AB 918, beautiful brown, 783, 400, 3363, 413, 301, 3837, 733, 208, and 498. beautiful, lots of different colors here. It's kind of like, I don't know, not really muted tones, but they're pretty bold. We'll see how it comes together. All right, I'm going to go ahead and look through and see where these special drills are here. Okay, so for the two ABs, we had that brown looking color. It was like a red brownish, and we also had the white. So the white 5200 ABs are kind of really just sprinkled throughout. So if you look on their dresses here, they're kind of just trickled. So the white is our dot symbol here, AB 5200. So we have a couple trickled, you know, on the dresses right below the dress. We also have some trickled outside here, but they're sprinkled on the top. So right here in the sky, all those white dots you see here are those white 5200 ABs. There is a ton in this top corner. So that's going to add some really beautiful sparkle. Now the darker red color, that's the U, that is the AB 918. And that, I saw it somewhere. Okay, right here. So that is this red symbol here in their dresses. So it's all towards the bottom of their dresses. So it's going to add some really cool, shadowy, dimensional look to it. We also have some of the red ABs over here in the plants on the side and a bunch in their hair. So that's going to look incredible. Okay, our fairy dust drills. So we have the upper left arrow. How many of you have names for the symbols? Okay, I do. So the upper left arrow is that peachy kind of color. And that the bulk of that I saw here in the sky. So that's all over here, kind of around the sun to give it this illuminating look here. And then we have our do not enter sign, which is more of an orangey kind of color. And I saw those here in their dresses as an undertone. And then we have our little our little heart here. That is the dark green color. And those are throughout here on the bottom. So beautifully spread out. You do have quite a bit of enhancement options that you could do with this canvas, especially with the sky here. You can just go over to DP with Sparklers. There's so many things you can do with the sun that illuminates the light, and all these different hues of colors. It could be beautiful. And one more thing to point out too, this canvas does have the perforated plastic. If you have not seen that before, it's just where it's kind of already split for you. If you don't want to use release papers or whatever method you use, that option is there for you. So I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. Happy shopping for DAC's 7th anniversary. Thank you, Diamond Art Club, for being so amazing to all of us. And I hope you guys get everything you were hoping to get. Let me know your favorites in the comments below. So until next time, everyone, bye-bye.